I had to go looking high and low for this deep fried Mars bar. In the end, I got a deep fried Snickers bar because I'm not a great fan of Mars bars. Not that I'm a great fan of any kind of chocolate, really. So this is what it looks like, and that's what it looks like inside. I have taken a bite of it, but um, I can't say I'm a fan of this either. Nope. It's gonna be my first and last fried Snickers bar. Don't think it would have made a big difference if it was a Mars bars, but and there aren't that many of these available either. Not that many shops do it. It's, you have to go looking for particular ones if you want to find these things. But when you're in Scotland, you have to try these things, right?